Well, we're here again at Learn Golf in 7 days. The last link, we looked at using second-hand golf clubs, which makes sense. Today, we're going to go back to the lessons. To recap, you should be pointing your feet together, pointing them to the ball. You know the grip from an earlier lesson, and you should be taking the club back with your left hand and through with your right. By keeping your feet together, you keep central. What I want to try and explain today is to take your feet apart. This is the stance. So, take the address, point your feet to the club, to the ball, left foot forward, right foot backward. So there's your stance. But where do you go from here? Because no longer have you got your feet together protecting your balance. You can move all over the place with your feet apart. So we want to try and get you to take the club back with your left hand, but take the club back and point it to the camera. Okay? So you take the club back and point it to the camera. Now, you don't point it over here. And you take it back and you don't point it over here. You imagine, like our camera person, Angela, you point it to the camera. So left hand back, right hand through. And all of a sudden, your feet can move. A lot of people will find it difficult at the start. What you do, if you find it difficult, you go back to feet together, left hand back, right hand through, short shots. Maybe the best way for you to adapt your stance is to put your feet together, take your stance and open it a little bit. That's today's lesson. To recap, keep with the narrow stance, but try and introduce a wider stance, slowly, little by little. Have a good game.